Hi, I'm Rebecca Hemmings from Strawberry Words, and on the 22nd of February, we are running a workshop on dealing with microaggressions. Now, this comes from having run this hundreds of times in many organizations, knowing what it is they value. So, they want to know, obviously, what microaggressions are, they want to understand what they look like. And the impact of those and how people, racialized people, cope with microaggressions. And the piece that people really hone in on is how to manage difficult conversations when they come up. So in the session, I share a couple of frameworks and also specific strategies that you can use in the moment when microaggressions come up. So you'll know what to say. You'll have an idea of how to react. It's a really powerful session. So I hope you can join us. The capacity is very, very limited. So if you're up for it, I'm sure the link's around here somewhere. Sign up today.